I'm in a 2005 Infiniti FX35. Today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should see this compartment which you have your brake fluid inside, which you can access by pushing these tabs to pop this cover off. A little easier with two hands. Alright, there you go. You should see the reservoir right there now. And on the side there's a max line and a minimum line, so you don't want it full all the way to the top. And then double check your owner's manual or good online source. You've got the best liquid for your make and model. But you'll just unscrew, set this off to the side, and then with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, fill as needed till you get around your max line. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then I double check too around the reservoir and the lines, make sure there's no leaks that need addressed. And put this cover back on when you're done. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.